So I'm Jeff Sobers. I'm responsible for our partner ecosystem within Siemens Software. I think low-code's got a great opportunity to completely evolve the way companies are moving to the cloud. We've got a deep partnership between AWS and Mendix, and there's been a lot of investment over the last 12 months to really accelerate the connectors and the ease of using Mendix on top of AWS. So a company like Kinetech has been in the environment for a long time with Mendix and low code, a lot of experience, a great growth opportunity to be able to deploy, drive adoption, and look at opportunities for expansion.
As a manufacturer, you should know that low code is built for you. Right? Again, you've got major investments in software and services and personnel. You've got to find a way to connect to those. You've got to find a way to bring them together. And then you've got to find a way to differentiate your business.
Companies buy Mendix for a variety of reasons, but typically it's because they've either tried to come up with a digital solution and failed in the past. They have a need to go live quickly, whether it be a new product release or the opening of a new building. There's some sense of urgency to go live, or they want to innovate. They want to build new apps and services quickly and at scale. There's a lot of common use cases for Mendix. Kinetech focuses on 3 primary industries: manufacturing, which is why we're here at Realize Live, financial services, and GovTech. Within those industries, you're really only limited by your imagination. So you can literally build anything you want with Mendix, and firms leverage us to help navigate that journey and understand if there's something off the shelf that you can leverage, like a CRM or an accounting system. We generally point companies in that direction, but when they're looking for systems of differentiation that are really going to differentiate their business from their competitors, is a great use case for Mendix.